Okay, on your power washer, got it started, and then it wasn't pumping water out. Had water connected to it the whole time, of course, with the water turned on, no pressure. So you had a blockage in the water line, and I cleared that. Went to go start it back up. It ran for about 5 seconds and then died. So, why is it not running? All right, so we're looking at, I got the float ball off here, and there is some sludgy debris down in there. And with that float ball off, you can see the actual float itself. And when this float drops down, hopefully you can see this, when the float drops down like this, it should free flow fuel. Okay, so unless it's out of fuel, which it looks like there's fuel in there, it's pretty topped off, there is another blockage of fuel flow. So it looks like there's plenty of fuel right down in there. When I shake it around and tilt it, there's fuel in there. So there may be, there's some kind of blockage now with the fuel flowing from tank to the carburetor. So that's what I'm working on right now. As far as the blower and your trimmer here, it's all good to go. Had to replace air filters, and I still got to pick up an air filter for this one, just the filter element, the sponge in there. It's got like a rectangular sponge, and then on top of that there's a paper filter. I got to get you a paper filter for that here locally. I think they should have one. Other than that, these two are ready to go, and I'm still working out the power washer.